Hello everyone, this is an instant video. I just wanted to ask for a donation for this man. This is my cousin's husband. I just want to ask donation because they really need help for the financial, for their basic needs. He has health issues. His liver is not functioning anymore, and also every time he eats, like he always vomit. So his food is just fruit and used by blender. They make juices out of fruits. And also he needs diaper because he can't even stand or sit down. He's always in his bed. He's a bedridden ba? I don't know if bedridden, it's called bedridden. But yeah, he's just laying in his bed. And the sad thing is his wife can't work, so there is no source of income for them. And they also have 3 months baby. So yeah, they really need help. I will insert my PayPal there, maybe in the description box, or you can check my bio on YouTube. It was there. So any donation is a big help po for them. So thank you so much po, and I really appreciate you guys.
Ang gamot ay ang panalangin, taimtim na panalangin. Pero bago ka nga manalangin at humingi ng awa, hingin mo muna ang kapatawaran. Dahil lahat naman tayo nagkakasala, lahat tayo may kasalanan. Kaya lahat ng iyong kasalanan ay hingin mo ng tawad bago ka manalangin, na ikaw ay pagalingin. Puspusin ka ng kanyang espiritu.
Bale, mga basic needs mo, mga kailangan talaga pagkain, prutas na, tinapay, gamot, diaper.
Parang kay Ate lang.
Ha?
Parang kay Ate man lang.
Kasi yung sulit sa kanya, yung natigas. Mahirap dumaan siguro sa lalim.
Hindi ko alam kung ano.
Etong oxygen, ano yan?
Yung mansanas.
Madalas mong ginagamit, hindi?
Kasi ang mansanas,
Dati.
lalo
Gusto niya sa regional line niya.
Gusto niya hilaw
Sa loob ng 3 araw ay visit dyan.
bawal din po yun. Ako.
Hindi ka nagtatanggal?
Sana pala sa iyong manggang hilaw.
Ba't nangangain?
Eh, giling.
Kung giling.
Bawal yan.